English comprehension questions, they are very important in 11 plus exam, for 12 plus exam, and even in GCSE level as well. So here in this video, I'm going to give you a few tips which can help you in getting really good grades in your English comprehension questions. Number one thing which is very important is you should be an active reader, right? So you should read a lot. So when it comes to the actual comprehension passage, you should read it actively, you should read it properly, and with the full focus as well, right? So because sometimes you'll find the answers within the line, so your full focus should be on the reading the text. Second thing which is very important is vocabulary. You can master vocabulary. There are so many ways to become expert in vocabulary. Number one thing is try to read classic novels, right? English classic novels. They will help you in improving your vocabulary. And whenever you are reading them, so make sure whenever you're reading a novel, make sure you read it a little bit aloud, so your own ears should be able to hear them, right? This way, what will happen? Your vocabulary will improve. Another tip which is very important is always break down paragraphs into small chunks, right, while answering the question. So what will happen? That way you will not miss any answer of any question there. So break down the paragraph in small chunks, and then try to you can underline them as well, the key things, that way you will be able to answer the question properly. Another thing is, sometimes you will find the answer straight away, right? It's very important. But sometimes you will have to infer the answer, right? You will have to find the answer from there. So answer will be within the lines. So there will be no direct answer there. So you will have to infer it, right? So you will have to guess what can be the answer. And those type of questions, they are very popular in GCSE and even 11 plus exam as well. And then another thing is, sometimes the answers are opinion based as well. What does it mean? You will have to give your own opinion about that situation. So that can be very tricky sometimes. So the best way to handle those type of questions is just the practice. So do maximum practice, and you can use your reading books to improve your vocabulary, because vocabulary is very important, and English reading skills, that's very important. They will help you in answering the question. Another thing which is very important is because answer the question in the order. Most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, you will find the questions in an order. So first paragraph, maybe first two answer you can find from first paragraph. Maybe next two answer you can find from second paragraph. So they will always will be in order. So try to focus on order as well. The last thing which is very important